we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Manila. Please be informed your arrival will be at Terminal 2. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia Captain Nico Francisco, First Officer Yoichi Tokuda, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vest, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Sa mga bandaming panauhin, kalalapag lang po natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. Tayo po'y patungong Terminal 2 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggat ang eroplano hindi paganap na nakahinto at kayo nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuwan anumang bagay na maaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. At bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo na ang lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan ang kayo mapagsilbihan at inaasahan naming muli tayong magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia ni Kapitan Nico Francisco, unang opisyal Yoichi Tokuda at lahat ng aming mga kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Para sa mga panauhing may dalang sanggol at nabigyan ng infant life vest, mangyaring ibalik ito sa cabin crew bago kayo bumaba. Once again, for safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Thank you for your cooperation. Manatili munang nakaupo hanggat ang eroplano ay hindi paganap na nakahinto at kayo nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Maraming salamat po at maligayang pagdating sa Maynila.